This summer, construction projects are coming to US 101 in Jefferson County. 2 culverts and a bridge will be constructed on Highway 101 just north of Quilcene as part of the ongoing Fish Passage Improvement Project. To get these jobs done, sections of the roadway will be temporarily removed. Workers will make improvements to remove barriers to fish and later restore the roadway. To accomplish this work and keep travelers moving, there will be 2 temporary simultaneous detours in place to safely bring motorists around the project work area during the times when the roadway has been removed. Due to weight restrictions on certain sections of the roadway, there will be separate detours for non-commercial vehicles and heavy commercial vehicles. Non-commercial travelers heading north on US 101 will begin the detour in Quilcene, taking Center Street off Highway 101 north to Highway 104, where they will head west on 104 to rejoin Highway 101. Southbound travelers will simply take the same route the opposite way. Heavy commercial vehicles, to include tractor-trailers with 3 axles or less over 23 tons, and commercial freight haulers with up to 7 axles over 36 tons, will begin their detour further south in Shelton, taking Highway 3 north to Highway 104 and crossing the Hood Canal Bridge westbound to rejoin Highway 101. Southbound heavy commercial vehicles will simply take the same route the opposite way. The detour is currently scheduled to take place for 25 days between mid-July and mid-August. The dates of the closures will be announced as they are scheduled. For the most current information, download the WashDOT app for advance notice of the work. Other information is available by using your smartphone camera to scan this code. We appreciate your patience and understanding as we work to complete this important fish barrier removal project. Please remember to drive the posted speeds in work zones and keep an eye out for crews to help ensure their safety. Thanks for watching.